Alright, welcome back for the part 2. We are continuing where we left off. Again, we know congruent angles are angles of the same measure, and an angle bisector divides an angle into two congruent angles. We left off, you needed to work on example 2C. Going back to example 2, I had given information that BF bisects angle CBE and BD bisects angle ABE, meaning angle 1 is congruent to angle 2, angle 3 is congruent to angle 4. Okay. So just recalling that information before we start this example. On C, if the measure of angle 2 equals 6y plus 2, and the measure of angle 1 equals 8y plus or minus 14, we need to find the measure of ABE. Again, before I can find this angle, I need to figure out what my variable is. Angle 2 is 6y plus 2. Angle 1 is 8y minus 14. I know from the definition of a bisector that these are congruent. So I'll set it up that 8y minus 14 is equal to 6y plus 2. I need to get y's on both sides. So I start by moving the 6. Opposite of positive 6y is minus. 8y minus 6y is 2y. Bring down minus 14, the equals and the 2. Continue getting y by itself. Opposite of minus 14 is to add 14. So 2y is equal to 16. And then undo multiplication with division. 16 divided by 2 means y equals 8. And find the measure of angle ABE. It's the whole thing. So that means it's 8y minus 14 plus 6y plus 2. And here we know y is 8. So replace my y's with 8. And then we gotta go see what this is equal to. Plugging it in just like I've written it down. Find that this angle is 100 degrees. And that question is done. In this next set of examples, it's not necessarily as complicated. It can be. We start with what we know. Angle POQ is 16 degrees, so I find that and label it. And then the measure of angle ROQ is 130. I need to find QOS. And I need to find x. So before I can do either of those things, I would have to see what x is equal to. So one thing I know is that PO and OS are opposite rays. So that all those angles together add up to 180. So I'll do 16 plus 130 plus x minus 22. And that's equal to 180 degrees. So I can use that to find x in the first place, and then we can find angle QOS. So I want to know what is 16 plus 130 minus 22. Combining our like terms. So I get 124. So 124 plus x equals 180. And I would subtract the 124 to get the x alone. So what does that mean x is equal to? So that goes here. X is 56. The last step is angle QOS. So if I look at the picture, QOS is here. I need to find what these are. So the measure of angle QOS is the 130 plus the x minus 22. But I know that the x is 56. So then you just have to put this into our calculator to find that QOS is equal to. $130. and 64. Not too bad. Let's look at our other example. Again, take what we know and add it to the picture. COE is 84. So this whole thing here is 84 degrees. BOC is 74. COD is 38. So this side is 38. I know the whole thing is 84. If I do 84 minus 38, that tells me what's left for DOE is 46. I still need to find X and AOD. So before we get to that, we'll have to do some work to figure out X. So I'm going to use these angles here that I know. The measure, no, even the measure. The X plus 20 plus the 74 plus the 84 is going to equal 180 degrees because those three angles together is making that straight angle AOE. Combining like terms, I need to know 20 plus 74 plus 84. And I get 178. Now to solve for X, I need to do the opposite of adding 178 and subtract it. So that means X is equal to 2. And then for the last part, determining what is the measure of angle AOD. Alright, so then it's these three. So the measure of angle AOD is going to be the X plus 20 plus 74 plus 38. But I know X is 2. So measured angle AOD is equal to what? Put it in our calculator. 134. Alright, last part, our summary. Match each description in the first column with one of the terms in the second column. So an angle that measures between 0 and 90 degrees. So that's choice A. Angle between 90 and 180. That's obtuse. Choice E. Array that divides an angle into two congruent angles. That's our angle bisector. Choice D. Angle that's exactly 90. Right angle. Choice F. A line segment with a degree measure of 180 degrees. Our straight angle. Choice C. And where two segments or rays meet to form an angle, that's the vertex. So take a look at your homework page. It's more of the exact same stuff that we just saw in the notes, so you can use them as a guide. And don't forget, you can also ask me for help as much as you need. I'm going to have you try just number 1AB and 2AB. So again, make sure if at any time you didn't understand that you're asking for help, if you still need help as you're working, let me know so that I can help you through. If you have any questions, you want me to check your work, anything that you need, let me know so I can come and help you. And I'll see you for lesson 7.